I'm Diana Edelman of Vegans Baby. I'm not a cook and I don't pretend to be, but when I heard Milkadamia launched a new product line, I got really excited. So I went to the chefs I know to teach me how to use their products. Today I am at POTS with Chef Iman Haggag and she's gonna teach me how to make a dish and then I'm gonna go try and make it myself. Are you ready? Let's go.
My name is Iman Haggag. I'm the owner and the chef of POTS. It's an Egyptian vegan restaurant here in Las Vegas. Street food in Egypt is originally plant-based. And I wanted to give the vegan community something authentic, something really tastes good without having all the substitutes and the craziness.
Hello, Chef. How are you?
Hi, Diana. How are you?
I am good. Thank you so much for being here and for making this dish today. You know, when I heard that Milkadamia came out with this new umami infused oil, I was super excited. And as you know, I am not the best in the kitchen, and so I needed a little bit of guidance. What did you make here today that I am going to attempt to recreate?
So today we made the mushroom shawarma, which is a very famous street food from the Middle East. It's very beautiful, very easy to make, and I have a total confidence that you're gonna make it.
Thank you for that. We'll see how we go. So tell me a little bit more, how did you actually make this dish?
So I started, of course, with cleaning my mushroom, make it look nice and clean. And then I got the umami oil, I sprayed it with it, and a little sizzle. And got all of those flavors coming on. I added a little bit of my own spices, shawarma spices.
Okay.
And then we assembled it.
Well, it looks beautiful and it smells beautiful. So we're gonna go back to my kitchen and I am going to attempt to make this. You're gonna keep an eye, make sure I don't mess it up too much, right?
Yes, I am. I'm right there.
Awesome. So before I get into Chef Iman's dish, I brought Chef here today to teach me a cooking skill I need to execute this dish flawlessly.
So our mushroom shawarma need mushroom.
This is true.
Let's clean it up. Come
Okay,
on.
So just clean them, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Where are you going? Stop
going-
right here.
Stop it, what? You don't wash your mushrooms?
Seriously? No, we don't wash mushrooms.
Seriously, that's all I've done my whole life.
Come back.
What?
We dry clean them.
Stop it.
Yes, mushroom will absorb a lot of water and it will turn gummy. So we don't need that in our shawarma meat.
Okay, so how do you clean a mushroom?
A dry clean.
Now that we've cleaned the mushrooms, the next thing we're gonna do is get them ready to cook. So the first step in that is using the umami macadamia nut oil spray from Milkadamia. This gives it a savory, subtle flavor that's perfect for any plant-based dish. And then you are gonna put them in the pan that's on medium-high and put the cast iron on top of it to dehydrate the mushrooms a little bit. Now, what you're gonna do is take this heaping scoop of butter and you are gonna put it on the pan. Turn off your cast iron pan before you put this on there. Take the shawarma spice blend and put it in. You wanna really get those spices all mixed around in there with the butter. Once that's all mixed, you're gonna take your plate of mushrooms and you're gonna put it in. So these are beautiful. And now the fun begins. We are going to make the dish. Put a little tzatziki on the pita. Add a little bit of arugula. Put your mushrooms on there. Then you're gonna use the onions. Now these are marinated. Some tomatoes. A little bit of harissa, parsley, and voila, this is your finished dish.
I'm right here. I'm ready to try.
All right, so this is your mushroom shawarma with tzatziki.
It looks perfect. Okay.
I'm nervous. I'm sorry.
Don't be. It looks perfect. Let me try now.
You're so nice. You're so happy.
Perfect.
Oh, good. I am thrilled. Thank you so much, Chef, for being here, for trying this. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for making this.
Thank you for recreating it. It's beautiful. Thank you.
I had so much fun in the kitchen today. If you want to follow along at home, head over to vegansbaby.com/recipes. To get these products, go to amazon.com. If you want to follow us, we are all on social media. And if you want to get creative in the kitchen, use hashtag #JustOneTaste for a chance to be featured on Milkadamia's social media. We'll catch you next time.